Hi, parents. Today we are taking an IStation assessment in reading. This tutorial will give your child a step-by-step instruction on how to get there so you can help them. When your child is on our Power School Learning page or our Meet page, they will open a new tab right there. If they open the new tab, let me get it so it's not blurry for you. There you go. Okay, open the new tab. Perfect. From the new tab, you can go to the JUSD bookmarks page, the same place we go for Power School Learning. And if you scroll down, you will see IStation. Please click IStation. When you do that, the session will launch, and it will take a few seconds for it to load up. I'm going to leave it live right now the whole time. Oh, and my nice reflection for you. And you will see a little child in a red cape, and these dots are indicating that it's loading. And then your child is ready to launch the Reading with ISIP button. And the assessment will begin like this. As your child is working on the test, you and your child should see a turquoise rectangle in the bottom of the screen. That means you're still in the testing session. There is not a significant indicator when your child completes the test. Your child will know they have completed the test when the turquoise rectangle goes away. As a reminder, your child will be looking for this icon today to take the reading test. This test could last up to 35 to 40 minutes. If you have any trouble, you can text me or message me through Dojo.